What's good, YouTube family? Welcome to another video on the Elite Capital channel. This is CEO Aman bringing to you a breakdown. I know I've been very inactive on my YouTube, but I've got a lot of requests. People want to see more YouTube content, more trade breakdowns, whatever. I'm here to deliver it for you guys. I got more time now, and yeah, let's get straight to it. So I kind of want to talk about this GJ move right here. Right? Basically, as you guys can see, GJ has moved insane, like, 600 pip drop in one session, like it's nothing. And obviously, let's talk about the fundamentals. Like the Bank of Japan, they've intervened into the FX market for the first time in 20 plus years. You got tax cuts for GBP. Basically, you know, it's undervaluing the pound like crazy. Like, GBP USD has not been this low since history. Like, GBP USD is literally tapped 1.03 last night. And, you know, it's crazy because those of you guys who are in my mentorship and who are also in my Instagram, like follow me on Instagram and come on my IG lives, I give a lot of informational content for free out there. And I've spoke about this to you guys that, if we tank below 1.10 on GBP USD, we are going to get a straight drop down. Obviously, I didn't know the magnitude of the drop, but obviously, it was straight bearish market after taking out the 1.10 psychological level. So, just based on how the pound is moving right now, I mean, we're fairly bearish. This is GBP USD. I'm going to go back to GJ, then I'm going to analyze GBP USD. So, going back to GJ, right? Let's talk about GJ. We came down and we tapped the 149 support. Before that, on Friday, I actually took a trade on GBPJPY for a sell at 159.65. Let me make this smaller, see if it fits in the screen. As you guys can see right here, all TPs were smashed in here. And basically, what I can say here is, give me one second. Let me zoom into this trade. Based on how I took this trade, the 1 hour was bearish. I also took a trade over here for a buy the other day, and I hit all TPs as well before the reversal from this resistance. So I had seen that we tapped this resistance, we rejected this area, we broke out below this support right here. After breaking out below this support, market was fairly in downtrend. Did a break and retest of 161,200, and market shorted again. Looking at the 30-minute. Market dropped, it started consolidating, and in the consolidation, basically, I'm kind of mapped out the range and I saw that, okay, so if we buy above here, that's kind of like going to be fair pullback back into the previous support. Obviously, we ripped below the support over here. I took an entry at 159,650, going into the 15-minute. You guys can see moving averages are in our favor. We had the crossover over here. And as London was approaching, this was more like a 3 a.m. trade. I saw that once we broke below this minor support over here at the 159,650 level, boom, we hit sells for 50 pips, TP5 smashed. I knew that we were going to at least wick fill into this region because when market it makes this pattern, and this is something that you get to know, obviously, the more and more you look into the market, the more charts you look at, it's repetition and practice, right? And I saw that, okay, so we got to pull back over here, and we're gonna pull back into this money cube over here, filled this money cube, and price tanked. So yeah, there was another minor support right here. Obviously, that support was broken as well, and clear trade into 50 pips. Price created support over here and bought, as you guys know, at 4 and 4:30 a.m. A lot of the times, GBPJPY provides buying opportunities. So price bought pullback into this support over here. Did a little retest, and obviously, market just tanked after that. Like, it's just insane. Now, going back to the daily, let me talk about this, guys. We closed below the support. So I had known that, okay, when market opens on Sunday, I'll see more bearish pressure come in. So after that, I saw that market open with a gap down, and if it literally at around 9 p.m., market tanked. It tanked all the way down into the 149 support that I had marked up over here. This is a very, very important level on GJ. And a lot of you guys may ask, how do I define important levels on GJ? So it's simple. When there's areas where price has rejected multiple times, that's going to be an area where it's heavy liquidity, and a lot of times a lot of rejections are bound to happen. For example, this one right here. Once, twice, three times, and now this is the fourth time tapping this, right? London came, and this was something very unexpected. I had seen the bullish candle close, and I was just like, wow, that bullish candle was literally a 300 pip move to the upside. And I was like, okay, now we're probably gonna buy and retrace that whole move, because what comes down quick will go up quick, and what goes up quick will come down quick. Okay, if you guys follow me. So let's go on the 30-minute. So going on the 15-minute, excuse me, we had a mini little range over here. We had a little liquidity grab. Price was still ranging, choppy, choppy, choppy. Um, I saw that this move happened at 2 a.m. 2 a.m. candle opens up. We're above the 8 SMA. We break these highs. So initially, I wanted to take the 152,500 buys. When I got to the computer, that's what I was looking for, right? And obviously that move just happened as soon as the hourly opened. So I was like, okay, so I missed this move, but it was too fast. I knew that, this was just a liquidity spike to the upside. Price comes up and comes right back down, as you guys can see, closes at 152.270. So I was like, okay, so we closed above this resistance right here. So I was like, okay, let's throw a buy position at 152,300. Took a buy at 152,300 on the pullback. So I know a lot of the times I do take breakout entries, but this one was a little bit different. It was more so a pullback trade, right? I saw the bullish closure on the 5-minute. Every other time frame was bullish except for the daily. The daily was bearish due to the fact that there was a major drop that we are still correcting. So 8 SMA right there. Rejection, break and retest setup, 152,300 buy, and boom, TP5 smashed on that trade. So that literally was a 50 pip move. I literally hit it in less than 10 minutes. As you guys can see right here, I had said buys above 152,300, 152,350, and boom, TP5 smashed on there for 1 to 5 risk to reward. Okay, so now let's see what I'm kind of seeing on GJ now. Okay, so this is a 4-hour chart on GJ. I know I like to keep a lot of my trades on the chart, because when I do my mentorships, I like to show people my previous trades and kind of like explain them when I do the one-on-one mentorship. Okay, so GJ, we just had a bullish leg to the upside. It's currently 8:39 p.m. Eastern. What I'm kind of seeing is probably above this 157,500 level, we could continue buying. Probably beneath this 154 level, it's going to be more sell territory. We did correct. We did reject the 50 SMA on the hourly. So yeah, we should be good for bearish. Now let's talk about GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD, very similar. We had a drop and retrace. As you guys can see, GJ and G are looking very similar nowadays. So I'll probably see the same thing under 106,500. We're going to see some shorts on that. Okay. Let's see what else I want to talk about. I want to talk about gold. Okay. Gold, I know I got a lot of stuff on gold, but gold, I've been taking some trades here and there on my own on gold. And as you can see, price did a flag pattern, and then it dropped again. So gold has been bearish as well. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys some swing targets that I have on gold. We tapped the weekly money cube right here at 1623, but I feel like gold has potential coming into 1600. It's crazy. I talked about this weekly money cube on my webinar and also on my Instagram live, and look where we are. Gold tapped that region. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much a breakdown of my two trades and kind of what I'm seeing on a few other pairs. One thing I want to add is I want to add some little talk about MetaTrader 4. I know MetaTrader 4 is currently off the App Store. I'm getting a lot of questions regarding that. It's due to the fact that there's something going on with the Apple management. They do not want Russian apps on the App Store, this and that. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. If you have MetaTrader already on your phone, then you're good. And also another tip is even if you go get a new phone and it doesn't have MetaTrader, it's okay because you should be trading on your computer. Because I trade on my computer a lot. You should be sitting in a work-friendly environment when you're trading. You should not be just trading while you're driving, trading while you're walking somewhere. No, trading is something that you need to be full focused on. So for some people, taking MetaTrader away from you guys is going to be a benefit. But I mean, that's what it is. I know it's some sad news. There's also other platforms like C Trader, this and that. I don't have much knowledge regarding them because I've been using MT4, MT5 for my whole career, basically. But yeah, that's that. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna say if you guys want to sign up for my signals are currently on $120 promotion. You can DM me on my Instagram. The link will also be in the description to sign up for my signals. Also, I am still running the bot for funding challenges, this and that. So if you're interested in that, you can also shoot me a DM. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.